A cluttered garage can quickly become one of the most frustrating spaces in any home. Tools get misplaced, cleaning supplies pile up, sports gear ends up scattered across the floor, and important equipment becomes difficult to find when you need it most. That's why investing in a high-quality garage storage cabinet can completely transform the functionality of your space. A good storage cabinet helps organize tools, protect valuable equipment, reduce clutter, and create a cleaner, safer working environment. Modern garage cabinets now come in a wide variety of styles, including wall-mounted units, rolling cabinets, heavy-duty metal storage systems, and compact organizers designed for smaller parts and accessories. In this guide, we're taking a deep dive into the best garage storage cabinets for 2026, focusing on durability, storage capacity, design, ease of installation, and overall value, so you can choose the perfect cabinet setup for your garage or workshop. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, the Iris USA Small Part Storage Cabinet. This option is ideal for users who need organized storage for smaller tools, hardware, and accessories. Unlike large garage cabinets meant for bulky equipment, this cabinet focuses on precision organization. It's especially useful for screws, nails, bolts, drill bits, electrical components, crafting supplies, and other small parts that often get lost in larger drawers or bins. One of the biggest strengths of the Iris USA cabinet is accessibility. Instead of digging through containers or toolboxes, you can quickly identify and grab exactly what you need. Many small parts organizers use transparent drawers, which help improve visibility and save time during projects. For DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, or hobbyists, this kind of organization can make a huge difference in workflow efficiency. Another advantage is its compact footprint. It fits easily on workbenches, shelves, or mounted storage areas without consuming too much space. Despite the smaller size, the multiple compartments provide surprisingly high storage capacity for tiny items. Many users appreciate how modular storage systems like this help reduce clutter and improve productivity in workshops and garages. Moving on to number 4, the Steelist Hanging Garage Storage Cabinet. This model takes advantage of vertical wall space, making it ideal for garages with limited floor area. Wall-mounted cabinets have become increasingly popular because they free up valuable ground space while keeping tools and supplies easily accessible. For smaller garages especially, utilizing wall storage can dramatically improve organization and mobility. The Steelist cabinet is typically constructed from steel, which gives it better strength and durability compared to plastic alternatives. Metal garage cabinets are often preferred because they can handle heavier loads, resist warping, and provide longer-lasting performance in demanding environments. Many users choose steel cabinets specifically for storing power tools, automotive supplies, and heavier workshop equipment. One of the standout features of a hanging cabinet is improved safety and cleanliness. By keeping tools elevated off the floor, you reduce clutter and protect stored items from dust, moisture, and accidental spills. Wall-mounted cabinets also create a cleaner visual appearance and help maximize usable workspace underneath. At number 3, the Songmix Storage Cabinet, a versatile and modern option that balances appearance with functionality. Songmix has become known for producing practical home and garage organization products, and this cabinet reflects that approach with a combination of sleek design and useful storage features. One of the major advantages of this cabinet is flexibility. It's designed to work not only in garages but also in workshops, utility rooms, basements, or even office storage spaces. Adjustable shelves allow users to customize the interior layout depending on the size of the items being stored. This flexibility is extremely useful for homeowners who need to organize a wide variety of tools, cleaning products, paint supplies, or household equipment. The cabinet's structure typically combines metal framing with reinforced shelving, helping provide both stability and weight support. Adjustable shelving systems are especially important because they allow users to maximize storage efficiency rather than being restricted by fixed compartments. Stepping up to number 2, the Jinger Metal Storage Cabinet is designed for users who need stronger construction and larger storage capacity. Metal cabinets have become the preferred option for serious workshops and garages because they offer excellent strength, resistance to wear, and long-term reliability. One of the key strengths of the Jinger cabinet is load capacity. Heavy-duty shelves allow users to store power tools, automotive fluids, large toolboxes, and bulky equipment without worrying about sagging or structural weakness. This type of cabinet is especially useful for mechanics, contractors, or serious DIY users who need dependable storage for heavier items. Ventilation and durability also play major roles in metal cabinet design. Steel cabinets tend to resist moisture better than wood-based alternatives and are generally easier to clean. Many heavy-duty cabinets also include reinforced doors and locking mechanisms that improve both security and structural stability. Finally, taking the top spot is the Sunny Days Decor Garage Storage Cabinet, a premium option that combines strong storage performance with attractive design and practical functionality. What makes this cabinet stand out is its ability to balance durability with a more refined appearance compared to purely industrial storage systems. Many users today want garage organization products that feel more polished and integrated into the home environment rather than looking purely utilitarian. The Sunny Days cabinet addresses this by offering a cleaner, more modern design while still maintaining heavy-duty storage capability. Storage capacity is one of its biggest strengths. Spacious shelves and large compartments make it ideal for storing everything from gardening equipment and power tools to automotive supplies and seasonal gear. The cabinet is designed to handle substantial weight while maintaining structural stability over time. Another standout feature is versatility. This type of cabinet can function well not only in garages but also in utility rooms, workshops, basements, and outdoor covered areas depending on the specific design. Users often appreciate multi-purpose storage systems because they provide more long-term flexibility as storage needs evolve. When choosing a garage storage cabinet, there are several important factors to consider. Material quality is one of the most important. Metal cabinets generally offer better durability and weight capacity, while lighter plastic or composite cabinets may be easier to move and assemble. Storage capacity is another critical factor. Smaller organizers are ideal for hardware and accessories, while larger cabinets are better suited for power tools, equipment, and bulk supplies. Adjustable shelving provides added flexibility and allows users to customize storage layouts based on their needs. Installation and placement also matter. Wall-mounted cabinets save floor space and improve accessibility, while freestanding cabinets provide larger storage capacity and easier repositioning. Users should also consider garage size, ceiling height, and workflow when planning storage setups. Security features like lockable doors can be especially important for storing expensive tools or hazardous materials. Ventilation, moisture resistance, and ease of cleaning are additional factors that can improve long-term usability. And that wraps up our guide to the best garage storage cabinets for 2026. From the compact and practical Iris USA small part storage cabinet, the space-saving Steelist hanging garage storage cabinet, the versatile Songmix storage cabinet, the heavy-duty Jinger metal storage cabinet, to the premium and stylish Sunny Days Decor garage storage cabinet, there's a perfect storage solution here for every garage setup and organization need. Which garage storage cabinet would you choose for your workshop or home garage? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.